Many of the state's top fish him.
Got an original 1954 Ford pickup truck radio. These are real small radios. I think the speaker in this one is mounted in the ceiling. And he's going to keep it very simple. What we've done is a simple conversion. It's AM FM stereo. It does have 4 channels out. You can run one speaker up to 4, so he can add speakers later on if he wants to. It has a toner, balance, fader. If you hook up more speakers, if you run just one speaker, it'll have toner, treble, and bass. There's your bass. There's your treble.
Of water on the middle of Kansas City in the space of left in some intersection. Port, Plaza, and Denver.
If you want to go to AM radio, just simply turn it off and right back on. That'll take you to AM radio.
Welcome in, Truck Football Talk. The Legend, 6:50 a.m. WSM worldwide.
Take you to AM radio, turn it off and right back on. We'll take you right back to FM.
Our new Hurricane Center in Miami, expect tropical church. Deal.
So we've got great deal.
Original bulb in it is 12 volt, negative ground. It does have auxiliary in. In case you want to use that, it is automatic. You can get a 2-piece harness with it. This one you can mount anywhere in the truck, hide. This one you keep in your glove box. And you can plug anything into it you want to, your phone, CD player, satellite radio, whatever you'd like to listen to. Just nothing but your music instead of a bunch of commercials like I'm listening to right now.
Some of those quarterbacks and some of those defenses.
And all you do is simply just turn your device on after you plugged it in and it automatically changes over. When you get ready to come off your device, just simply turn it off, and the radio will cycle right back around in 20 seconds to where you had it. If you don't wait to 20 seconds, just turn it off and right back on.
Again, sports, here's Bob.
Hard to make our community.
We've done a polishing on all the plastic pieces in the front, the background and all, and cleaned them up. It definitely looks better than it did. The old radio, she's a nice one.
And living as a family.
From NPR News, I'm Scott Simon. Italian authority confirmed to have died after Wednesday's earthquake.
Anyhow, that's your 1954 original Ford truck radio. I appreciate you letting me do it for you. Thank you.